Greetings, welcome back to AP Computer Science Principles. This is Unit 4, and we're on the variables make. So you're going to actually make a little app today with variables. But let me walk you through that because it's like a little mini project, and we're going to jump right into this. I want you to understand what you need to do, but basically most of it's going to be here in code.org, and then there is a worksheet activity to go on with it. So if you go on to the Level 2, right? Lesson 4, Level 2, you're going to be able to play around with the app. So go and head on over there onto number 2, and you're going to see this. You can run it, and you can kind of see how this works, right? So we can see how everything works. So I want you to play around with that for a little bit, answer those questions. And pause. Welcome back. All right, so you're actually going to make this app. So again, you can see there's no code here. You're going to jump over to 3, and you're going to make this app. Now, before you go there, a lot of it's going to be done in this activity. So if you go to Canvas, you'll see that there's a template that you can make a copy of, and you'll have access to this. So step 1 was play around with it, figure out what it does. And then you've seen a lot of this code already. So our goal is all the elements are named for you. They all have useful, good names. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick an element, right, and figure out which one does something, right? And I'm thinking they all do something. But if you run this one, it won't actually do anything because you have to write all the code to make it do. So none of this works. I mean, you can type in there, but none of this works until you actually put the code into it. So what are, and they already gave you 3 boxes, what are the 3 things you can do, right? The 3 things you can click on. What are they? What's their element name? They're up here in the screen too. You can also go to design, click on the buttons, right? They're all there for you. What's its name and what does it do, right? When you click on the up button, it makes the lights go up, right? And you need to create variables. What are the 2 variables that are here? What are the 2 things that change, right? What gets stored, right? That's what a variable does, is it stores it. So you got to figure out what those variables are. And then finally, you're going to code it. You're going to drag all the stuff over to everything that we've done so far. What's, again, nice about some of this is if this is the up button, you can click on events. This is on a click, you can insert code, and now I automatically have, when the up button's clicked, well, right now all it's going to do is, so if I run this and click the up button, it's just going to tell me the up button's clicked. So you put your code, you'll drag your code into here based on what we've already done, everything that we've already done. You're going to add this based on the videos and everything like that. When you're done, you'll click share. You'll copy this link. And if you want to send it to someone, you can send it to someone. But you'll copy this link. You'll paste it into here. And then you'll submit this. Share. Make sure it says anyone with a link. You'll turn this whole thing in to Canvas. So that is this lesson. Our wrap-up is good job. You have the rest of the class to work on finishing this. Have a great day. We'll see you next lesson.